Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, it is a rainy Monday and I am out. I am going to go by the Hobby Lobby to get some pre-mixed grout for a mosaic project that I'm working on. I hate grout, but I don't have a choice but to use it for this project. So I am headed there, and while I'm out, I am also going to stop by a couple of Dollar Trees to see if they have anything new out. It's been a couple of days, so maybe we'll see. I'll come back to you when I get to my first stop. I haven't seen these in my store before. I like these. They look like small shadow boxes. I see they finally restocked my favorite gold 5x7 frames. I've not seen them in an 8x10, so these are really pretty. So then there's an 8x10, a 5x7, and I think there's also a 4x6 size as well. I finally found the bamboo cutting boards. I've been looking for these. They have new fashion nails. They look like holographic nails, but some have more blue or more gold or more green. I think these are really pretty. It looks like they brought in some new vases for spring. Very pretty. I see new candle holders. It looks like they've got quite a bit of diamond wrap in. I don't think I've seen the 2-row diamond wrap before. These are definitely new. I've never seen turmeric or apple cider vinegar peels in Dollar Tree. I found new mosquito repellent coils. I'm from the South, so we have to get prepared for springs and summers here. I don't know which is worse, the bugs or the pollen. I definitely don't need these, but they are too good to pass up for $1. I found these really pretty marble candles. I'm not a huge fan of the Dollar Tree candles. The throw is usually not good, but the packaging is always really cute. I finally found the gold and charcoal face mask. Hello, how are you? So the first thing I purchased, guys, were these really pretty gold wall decor pieces. I had hoped that I could open these up and add contents inside, but unfortunately that is not the case. But they're still very cute as standalone pieces. I also picked up some of the bamboo cutting boards. I'll use a few of these in the kitchen, but I also have a DIY in mind for these as well. Anytime you can get wood or bamboo from the Dollar Tree, it's a win. I'm sure it's no surprise that I also picked up some of these frame wall decor pieces. I think that these are really pretty. They remind me of the word signs that I purchased last week, and I am going to use these for a DIY as well. It was a hard choice, but I decided to pick up these two vases from the Dollar Tree. I really like the shape of these, but I also like those really pretty pink vases, and I'm pretty sure I'll go by and get a couple of those as well. I also picked up some of the fashion nails. I'm going to use maybe one of these on each hand as an accent nail. I think that these colors are really pretty. I picked up some of the mosquito repellent coils. I've not used this product before, but mosquitoes are a big problem down here in the South during the spring and summer months, so I thought I would give these a try. I picked up 2 bags of the Butterfingers. I really didn't need these, but for this large pack of Butterfinger minis for $1, that deal was just too good to pass up. And finally, for my husband, I picked up some of the Power Stick shave gel and aftershave, as well as some of the men's wipes for him to try out. For myself, I picked up one of the gold and the charcoal gel face mask. I also purchased some of the turmeric and the apple cider vinegar peels. I've been wanting to incorporate apple cider vinegar and turmeric into my daily diet, and I think that these inexpensive peels are an excellent way to start. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree walkthrough and haul. If you did, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Did you know I had a second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise Up Close and Personal? I'll leave a link to my second channel below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.